WWDC 2026. We are talking about iOS 20, the liquid glass update that deletes the interface as we know it, and 6 brand new hardware products that shouldn't even exist yet. If you thought the M4 Ultra was fast or the Vision Pro was spatial, you haven't seen anything yet. Today, we are breaking down every single leak, every hidden line of code, and the 6 secret products Apple is desperate to keep under wraps until June 8th. You want to see the future? Don't move an inch. For years, we've been hearing rumors of a smarter Siri. We've been teased with Apple Intelligence. But 2026 is the year the leash finally comes off. Leaked internal documents codenamed Project Campo suggest that iOS 20 is not just an operating system. It's a living, breathing digital twin. Sources inside Cupertino are whispering about a liquid glass UI. Forget the grids of icons you've used since 2007. iOS 20 is rumored to use a transparent, context-aware interface that shifts based on your environment. If you're at work, your phone looks like a professional workstation. If you're at the gym, the glass morphs into a high-octane fitness hub. This is the end of the static smartphone. But it's the AI that's going to shock you. Apple is reportedly ready to launch Veritas, a full-scale chatbot integrated into the core of the iPhone that doesn't just answer questions. It takes actions. Imagine telling your phone, book a flight to Vegas that matches my calendar and find a hotel with a gym, and it's done in 3 seconds. No apps opened, no browsing, just pure execution. This is the post-app era, and iOS 20 is the gateway. Now let's talk about the hardware, because this is where things get truly insane. Leak number 1, the MacBook Air Slim. For the first time in a decade, Apple has completely re-engineered the chassis. We are looking at a device that is reportedly as thin as an iPad Pro, but packs the M5 chip. Sources say Apple has finally cracked the code on solid-state thermal management, meaning no fans, no heat, and a battery life that lasts 48 hours. But that's just the beginning. Product number 2 is the one we've all been waiting for, the Apple Vision Air. The original Vision Pro was a masterpiece, but it was heavy and expensive. The leaked Air model is 40% lighter and, crucially, half the price. Apple is pivoting from Pro to mass market. They want this on every face in America by Christmas. With the new Vision OS 20 updates, you'll be able to mirror your iPhone screen just by looking at it. No wires, no lag, just pure spatial computing. And if you thought the Apple Watch was finished evolving, product number 3 will prove you wrong. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is leaked to include the first ever non-invasive blood glucose monitoring system. This has been the holy grail of health tech for 20 years. If Apple pulls this off at WWDC, it won't just be a smartwatch. It will be the most essential medical device on the planet. The leaks suggest a new photon sensor array that can read blood chemistry through the skin with 98% accuracy. This is a game changer for millions. Wait, it gets even crazier. We've seen leaked renders of product number 4, the Home Hub Pro. This is Apple's first foray into a dedicated AI home robotic arm. It's a smart display that actually moves. It follows you around the kitchen, angles the camera for FaceTime, and uses a 3D LiDAR scanner to monitor your home's security in real time. It's like having a digital butler that actually knows who is in the house and what they need. Product number 5 is for the creatives. The iPad Pro 15-inch. Yes, Apple is finally going bigger. They're closing the gap between the iPad and the MacBook. With a new hybrid OS mode in iOS 20, this iPad will be able to run full desktop macOS apps the second you magnetically click it into a keyboard. It's the one device we've been dreaming of since Steve Jobs first sat in that leather chair with the original iPad. And finally, product number 6, the one more thing. The leak that literally broke the internet this morning. Apple is reportedly testing a folding iPhone prototype to be teased at the end of the keynote. They aren't calling it a fold. Internally, it's known as the iPhone Infinite, a seamless, crease-free display that uses a new liquid polymer glass. It starts as a standard 6.3-inch iPhone and expands into an 8-inch tablet. Why is Apple doing this now? Because the competition is catching up, and Tim Cook knows 2026 is the year Apple has to reclaim the throne. We are looking at a total ecosystem reset. From the Veritas AI engine to the liquid glass UI, every device you own is about to feel like a relic from the past. But there's a catch. With all this power comes a massive price. Rumors suggest the high-end iPhone 18 Pro Max, the flagship for this new OS, could see a significant price hike to accommodate the new M series unified memory chips. Is the post-app world worth a $2,000 entry price? Think about it. Every time you pick up your phone today, you're clicking through a wall of apps. In 3 months, that could all be gone. You just talk to your device, and it will see, hear, and understand your world better than you do. The Campo update to Siri is rumored to have emotional intelligence, meaning it can detect if you're stressed or tired and adjust your notifications accordingly. It will stop your emails if it knows you're having a rough day. That is the level of integration we are talking about. As we approach the June 8th keynote, the excitement is reaching a boiling point. We've seen the renders. We've seen the leaked code. We've heard from the suppliers in Taiwan and Korea. The OLED MacBook transition is officially happening. The Siri GPT revolution is here, and the Vision Air is about to make the metaverse a reality for the rest of us. This isn't just another tech update. This is the moment the smartphone becomes truly smart. This is the moment the computer disappears into the environment. This is WWDC 2026. The leaks are out, the stage is set, and the world is watching. Stay tuned, because as soon as that first beta of iOS 20 drops, we are going to be live testing every single feature to see if Apple truly delivered on the promise of the future. The wait is almost over. The revolution starts now. The Cupertino-based tech giant Apple is preparing for a busy calendar year ahead as the company gears up to launch over 20 new products in 2026. Yes, you heard that right. The company could launch around 24 new products starting in spring 2026, moving past on-stage announcements in summer, and finally the September launch event in fall. Unfortunately, Apple's 2026 product roadmap doesn't include a baseline iPhone 18 if that's what you're hoping for. We've discussed this in a separate article. Apple wants to split the September launch event into 2 smaller events, with greater focus on the products announced at each. That said, let's come back to the topic and discuss all the products Apple is rumored to launch in 2026. The iPhone 17e, a successor to the iPhone 16e, launched in 2025, could be the first product the company launches in 2026. It could launch in March 2026 with improved internal specifications, such as the A19 chip, the one Apple introduced with the iPhone 17 series, a center stage front camera, and a dynamic island to give the handset a modern look. 2. Baseline iPad, 12th generation. The 12th generation baseline iPad could debut alongside the iPhone 17e or shortly after, in April 2026. Given that the current generation model comes with the A16 Bionic chip, Apple could choose the A18 or the A19 chip to give the iPad a significant performance boost. If the baseline iPad gets the latest A-series chip, it could also unlock support for Apple Intelligence features, which are only available on the A17 Pro or newer chipsets. Alongside the baseline iPad, 12th generation, Apple is also rumored to release a new iPad Air 8th generation with Apple's M4 chipset, perhaps a bin version of the SoC powering Apple's entry-level MacBook Air models. Don't expect the new iPad Air to provide a significant performance boost, though, as the current model already features the M3 chip, which is overkill for most users unless someone is regularly editing photos or videos or playing high-end video games on the device. 4. Affordable MacBook. For almost a year now, Apple has reportedly been developing a new, low-cost MacBook to compete with entry-level and mid-range Windows laptops that sell in India at around 50,000 rupees to 70,000 rupees, around $500 to $700 in the United States. Well, 2026 seems to be the year when the reports finally manifest a new A-series MacBook that offers a familiar user interface, the long battery life that MacBooks are known for, and the robust software support that Apple provides at around half, or perhaps more, the price of the Basel. INE MacBook Air. The A-series MacBook could launch sometime around March or April 2026. If I were to speculate, the device could feature either the A18 Pro chip or an A19 series chip if Apple wants to future-proof it for at least a couple of years. While the M5 chip has debuted on the 14-inch MacBook Pro, the 11-inch and 13-inch iPad Pro models, and the Apple Vision Pro, 2nd generation, Apple has yet to launch an M5-powered MacBook Air, which could happen in either March or April next year. This product could debut at WWDC 2026 or around the same time. Apart from a chipset refresh, the MacBook could also get a couple of new finishes. Also read, Apple MacBook Air M5 tipped for early 2026 launch. What to expect? 6. M5 Pro and M5 Max MacBook Pro. For now, Apple's latest MacBook uses the baseline M5 chip. However, as with every other product cycle, the company has yet to release new MacBook Pro models with the M5 Pro and M5 Max chips, which will offer even more processing power than the latest chipset. Apple could unveil the new MacBooks, including the M5 MacBook Air and the M5 Pro and M5 Max MacBook Pro models, via press releases.